everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Margot Elena box for summer, so let's get in it and check it out. I've had this for a little while, and the one thing that I wanted to remember to tell you guys is I was shocked that it was into the season after the box had come out before it finally sold out. It used to sell out long before the season started. So this box is sold out, but I am sure the fall box is available. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Isn't it so pretty? It absolutely wins the award for prettiest box that we get. And it says lovely days and sun rays. And this is the paperwork, and it says my golden days, and inside it will tell us just a little bit about each of the products that we have in here. Okay, let's glass up and do this. It always smells so good just from the minute you open it. It smells so good. So there's the list of the things we have and their prices. Everything about this box is beautiful. Reaching right in on top, it looks like a luggage tag. Yep, coming and going. And it's just a print, like it's the type of print that we normally would see in a Margot Elena box. So pretty. And it says this tag belongs to, and if lost, call me, email me, mail me. I don't put all of my information on these things anymore. You probably should, but there you go. This is really pretty. I like them because if for no other reason, even if you didn't fill out everything on the back, if you saw this hanging around your luggage, your eye would pop to it and you would be, you know, when it's on a carousel. Does anybody check luggage at an airport anymore? And they say that has a $12 value. Next out, we have the Lalia Elegance White Amber and Mirabelle Shea Butter Hand Cream. That is so pretty. I love it's kind of a gray and white, real classic look. And it's one of the sliding boxes. I love those. The tube matches the box. Look, it's a little matchy set. That is so, so pretty. I'm going to keep saying this. I just poked it with my knife, but I'm going to keep saying this until somebody at Margot Elena acknowledges me. They give us the tubes with the metal tops and then the flat lids. We need the little pokey. I just used my unboxing knife. I want to see what it smells like, don't you guys? So it's just a nice little cream. Oh, that's gorgeous. Very floral. Another thing we have to talk about with this box is if you're not a floral gal, like floral scents aren't one of your top favorite things, this box is not for you. Everything in this box usually smells very floral. Gorgeous, but floral. This is real clean. It said White Amber and Mirabelle. I'm not sure what that's supposed to smell like, but it's very nice. And it says that this has a $27 value. How big is it? 4 ounces. Next in, we're starting with our ones that are wrapped like gifts. I love this. It makes you feel so special when you get it. And then it's also wrapped in bubble wrap. Oh, it's a candle. I have the Lalia Wish Sugared Pastille Candle. Oh, that smells good. Oh, this is gonna be beautiful in my bedroom. And it just has the little, can you guys tell? Just the little Lalia insignia on it. It's probably just like a 2-ounce candle. 3.4 ounces. The bottom says it's 3.4 ounces. That smells so good. And this is what the paperwork on top of it look like. It smells so good. So pretty. I can't place it. It's just kind of sweet, honey-like, floral. So good. Perfect bedroom scent. Or if you have a bathroom, this might be good in there, but this would be a lovely bedroom scent. And it says it has a $16 value. Okay, next out we have cards. We get cards periodically, but I love having cards around. This one is the Eiffel Tower, and it says merci beaucoup. So you would have a nice little thank you note. Oh, phew. I could have that one pointing at me right now, and I would be very happy. And it says, I'm always your #1 fan. Oh, that's cute. And this one, with the ostrich with the party hat on, says party like a rock star. That's so cute. And those have a $22 value, which if you have bought cards lately, you know is more than fair. Next out, I am not going to take this out because as you can see, it had a little leak, just a little bit, but that's why I love they put them in these little Ziploc bags, because once I get it out of there, it's going to be easy peasy to clean, because you can see it's just a skosh right there. But it says that it's the Cottage Greenhouse Grapefruit and Blood Orange. Juicy grapefruit and orange extracts are nature's mood boosters. I agree. Loaded with vitamin C and B5, celebrated for their uplifting aromatic properties. And this is the Moisture Rich Shower Oil and Body Wash. And I will pass this along to my eldest granddaughter because it has the grapefruit in it. So you guys know I can't use it. And I passed her along my first thing that had the grapefruit in it, and she loves this scent. So perfect. And that has a $24 value. They say that the value of the box will be more than $200, and it's usually right there. Like, they are experts at making it like $201. Next out, another wrapped package. This is our perfume, I think. We almost always get one of the Lalia or Tokyo Milk perfumes. I have quite the collection going now. This is the Sonoran Bloom. So pretty. That is what it looks like from the front. I am losing the sun and gaining the sun. So I hope this is all coming across okay. I can't smell it. So before I put it on me, because I have learned that lesson, we're going to spray the paper. Oh, that's very nice. Very light and summery. The Tokyo Milk scents tend to have a really heavy scent to them. This does not. This is gorgeous. You know what? It makes the cut for being tried on my body. Ooh, probably only need one though. It is a hefty good spray. And again, this is Sonoran Bloom 84. They almost always, the Tokyo Milk has numbers after their names. And this has a $44 value. That's so nice and fresh, kind of citrusy. I like that a lot. Okay, we have another present. And again, wrapped in bubble wrap. So even if it does manage, like that one bottle did, to leak just a little bit, everything is contained. And I have had very few issues ever, considering they're always sending perfumes and creams, and also not an affiliate with them, just letting you know. This is the Tokyo Milk Honey and the Moon. Oh, I love this scent. Oh my gosh. I always think that I'm going to wear these and they're going to be my favorite things. And I don't seem to reach for them very often, but the Honey and the Moon, we got the perfume and the shower wash, and I love this scent. Oh yeah, I love this scent. I'm kind of sad I have the other perfume on now because I would be slathering my body in this. Don't do that. I'm kind of joking. The first time I got one of these, I didn't realize it was really like a perfume crema. I took a big old dollop and just put it all over myself. Yeah, I had to shower. It's a perfume crema, and you just need like a skosh, like, to hit your pulse points with. I mean, use as much as makes you happy. But I found that that's about all I need to have all the scent that I want. And it was the first time I put it on, I used it like a body lotion. I had to shower. They call it a perfume creme de lis, and it's sweet honey, sugared violets, jasmine, and sandalwood. And it's probably that pop of sandalwood that I like because I like the earthy scents of that. And they say this has a $24 value. I did not tell you at the beginning. I just jumped right into this like it was no thing. I have all of my paperwork upstairs, so here I am. It is, I think it's gone up to $59.99 per season. We also pay shipping, and I think the shipping is $5.95 or $6.95. I will let you know here exactly what I paid. Okay, last out of the box, we have a baggie of something, and it says the Cottage Greenhouse. The main brands that Margot Elena has, and I think they're all in-house brands, are Cottage Greenhouse, Lalia, Tokyo Milk. I feel like I'm missing somebody. Who am I missing? Tell me if you watch all the time. Who am I missing? Oh, this is a little set. Oh, this is so cute. I actually have the full size of these, and I'm only about halfway through them, and I love them. This is so cute. Oh, you could do it if you wanted to travel with it. It is the Cottage Greenhouse Rosemary Mint Rescue Foot Cream, and it's just the cute little tub of it. And then we also have their pumice. What do they call it? Rosemary Mint Pumice Foot Scrub. And that is what that looks like. So we have that little set, and then also in the bag, there's a little brush. So how cute is that? What a fun little set. And I love that it's in this little bag. I love the scent of these, by the way. That rosemary mint is very minty and rosemary. It's really a nice scent. It feels like one of those minty foot creams that you try. And this has a $38 value. So that is what we got in Summer's Margot Elena. So this is always just a lovely, wonderfully scented box. It is not inexpensive, but what you are getting are products that are actually being sold right now on the Margot Elena site. and you get $200 worth of her products for the cost of the Discovery Box. And once you've signed up, you do keep getting it until you cancel. But we got the Cottage Greenhouse foot scrubs. This gorgeous, I'm gonna go with honey scented wish candle that, like I said, I think it's a perfect bedroom candle. The luggage tag that says coming and going. Another gorgeous Lalia hand cream. The honey and the moon crema, which is basically like a perfume, and it's fantastic. Our actual perfume is the Sonoran Bloom Tokyo Milk. Oh, it's very nice on me. They dry down to so much more of a subtle scent than when you first put them on. That's gorgeous. We have our 3 cards. I have him on the front, but they're so cute. And our grapefruit and blood orange body wash and shower oil, moisture rich shower oil body wash. I have had this actual product in different scents, and I really like it. I will put a link down below in case you have any interest to the Margot Elena Discovery Box that will be the fall box. I am in no way affiliated or associated with. They give no credits. There's nothing involved. It's just a regular link if you'd want to use it. If you don't like links, I totally get it. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I will see you again really soon, I hope. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and have a great day, guys.